Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to pay Jollibee using your Spaylater. So in this video, we are going to talk about if we can use Spaylater to pay on Jollibee. So as of now, Jollibee does not officially list the Shopee Spaylater as a payment option. So their payment options based on their help center are limited to GCash, Maya, credit, debit cards, or cash. Okay, and yeah, Jollibee terms explicitly mention that e-wallets like Gcash and Maya, but nothing about the Shopee Pay Later. So on their kids' party booking site, payment is via Maya e-wallet, credit card, or debit card. So there are several users on Reddit say they couldn't use Spaylater for POS QR payments in physical stores. There are instances some stores Shopee Pay only, not Spaylater. So another Fed not eligible to use Spaylater for certain QR payments. So Jollibee doesn't process Shopee Pay later payments. They rely on their own or third-party payment gateways that don't integrate Spaylater. So what you can do instead, you can use Gcash, you can use your Maya e-wallet, you can use your credit or debit card. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.